What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, back with another review. Now, I've done some videos in the past on quality blank T-shirts, but never for quality sublimation blanks. So you guys get to review this one as well, so sit tight and I'll be right back. How many of you guys into sublimation or incorporated with your t-shirt business or as a hobby? If you do, then you know it's important to have quality polyester or high polyester count t-shirts for your projects or orders. Now, my good friend Giovanna, owner of Overflow Vinyl down in Queens, New York. If you guys are ever in New York, make sure you stop in and check out our array of vinyls from basic to specialty, not to mention her sublimation products. And if you can't make it to the shop, then visit her website at overflowvinyl.com and use my promo code Mr. T-Shirt for an additional little discount. And I'll also leave the promo code down in the description below. Sent me a few of these, I should say, sublimation t-shirts. Now, the brand that makes these is called Sublivie. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, and we're gonna check it out. You know, from this is what the shirt looks like. You know, like your regular sublimation tee, polyester t-shirt. All right, as I look through it, because I usually like to do the see-through test. I mean, for polyester, it is what it is. I mean, I guess all we really care about is that end result, right? So, I will be doing a review on another brand sublimation t-shirt coming up shortly as well. Once I get those shirts in, then we'll continue and we'll do a versus review, I should say. Let's see which one is better. All right. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm anxious to see how this artwork is going to come out on these tees. So let's get to sublimating on these bad boys. All right, so the first thing with sublimation that we do, we want to put a sheet of paper in between the garment so that way the ink doesn't press through and come through on the other side of the garment as well. All right, so now I'm just gonna cut this out, cut this down. So we're just gonna pre-press. Down a little. Just pre-press this. Couple of seconds. Okay, we want to line it up to the sheet. Therefore, we don't have anything soaking through, any ink soaking through to the back of the garment. We're at about 395 right now, so give it a couple more seconds and we'll press this down. I'm going to turn up the pressure just a little. And we're going to just put our cover sheet over it. Put this down. Now, for those of you that don't know, the sublimation process only works on mostly polyester. So if you have 100% polyester t-shirt, or if you have a 65-35 polyester t-shirt, you want your polyester count to be greater than your cotton count when doing sublimation. All right, so that actually came out pretty good. Nice and vibrant, nice and bright. So we took a look at that here. All right, so that came out pretty good. I mean, I must say, on the Sublivite Sublimation t-shirt, came out nice and vibrant. Looks like I have some marks here, but that might be from the paper as well. I'm sure that'll come out in a wash. But overall, I mean, the colors are vibrant. If I run my hand over it, it's nice and smooth. Okay, so, I mean, as far as sublimation, this t-shirt seems like to be a quality sublimation t-shirt. Okay, I haven't done many reviews on different type of sublimation blanks. So far, this is my first one. I have my partner Stan Banks. He has another set of sublimation tees that he's gonna get over to me, so I'll do a review on those, and then also compare the two. But for now, this is definitely a quality sublimation t-shirt from Sublivie. Okay guys, has this video helped you in any way? Let me know in comment below. Did you gain any value? If so, I need you to tap that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to ring that bell to stay notified on all new content. As usual, I'm Mr. T-Shirt. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. Situations getting worse.